From the pages of the Herald Standard's Go magazine, here are your must-goes. The documentary Great White Shark at the Carnegie Science Center takes a bite out of the myths of these creatures that struggle for survival. The IMAX film features unique slow-motion underwater images and an evolutionary history of the mammal. The 40-minute film dazzles with higher-resolution images and slow-motion underwater footage. Showtimes and admission at carnegiesciencecenter.org. Don't miss your chance to swim side by side with a great white. Pittsburgh CLO presents Monty Python's Spamalot at the Benedum Center through August 2nd. Winner of the Tony Award for Best Musical, the show is a comedic retelling of The Legend of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. For information, call 412-456-6666. West Virginia Public Theater presents The Who's Tommy on stage through August 3rd. Tommy, the tragic rock opera of a boy struck deaf, dumb, and blind after witnessing a murder, featuring the music of Pete Townsend. For tickets, call 304-291-4117. And St. Vincent Summer Theater presents A Grand Night for Singing, an evening of music and romance with the music of Rodgers and Hammerstein, August 1st through the 17th. For information and reservations, call the box office at 724-537-8900. Those are your must-goes. For the Herald Standard, I'm Diana Lasco.